Hi, I'm Bill from Eckler's. Today we're taking a closer look at this USA-740 radio fitting your 1968 through 1976 Corvette. Custom Autosound has been creating modern radios with classic looks for years, and if you're looking to upgrade the performance of the stereo in your classic Corvette but want to keep that original look, the USA-740 is an excellent way to go. Installed on the dash, it resembles a factory radio down to the AM dial, but when you turn it on, it's a modern radio hidden behind the screen. Now, while the looks are classic, all the features of the USA-740 are all very modern. It features 25 presets, AM, FM, 300 watts of peak power at 2 ohms, your choice of 7 different LCD colors along with LCD dimming, Bluetooth and remote microphone, along with a USB port for flash drive, direct CD changer control. It also features a 2-channel RCA auxiliary input along with a 4-channel output and even a subwoofer output with full control. Here you can flip through your inputs. You have your radio, your Bluetooth, auxiliary 2, and then back to radio. Then you got your search over here, and then you can flip through this. Equalizer, your bass control, your mid-range, your treble, your balance and fader, loudness control, subwoofer control, and then subwoofer volume. Even a built-in crossover. If you want to keep those classic looks, but you want all the performance of a modern radio, the Custom Autosound USA-740 with Bluetooth is an excellent choice. This and other audio upgrades for your classic Corvette are available at Ecklers.com.